This is a cold start video of the Wheelhorse Suburban 551. The snowstorm that we were supposed to get was supposed to be 5 to 8 inches, and they got half an inch. It was very disappointing. I was going to have a nice, awesome video of this pushing snow, but didn't happen. But you can see the muffler's cold. Part throttle. Turn on the gas. I gotta fix the choke cable. It doesn't work very well. So let's see if I can get it to start. It's about 36 degrees out. This motor was apparently rebuilt before I got it, and it's a strong motor. Carb's really good. Really happy with the engine and transmission in this. I just need to tinker on it more and make it better. Turn off the gas because it's gonna sit until the next snowstorm. And let's see, K91. It's a really good motor. So yeah, that's a cold start video of a Wheelhorse Suburban.